Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you for being here. So today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be giving away to a lucky winner. I said I was going to do a giveaway for every 100 subscribers that I get. So this one will be my 200 subscribers giveaway. So if you would like to participate, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so 4 polygel extension, nude, pink, white and brown. Some nail cleaner, a top coat and a base coat, a hand file, but I'm gonna give you guys a bigger one, a buffer, a tweezer, a brush, some colorful rhinestones. Let's see what's in here. Flowers, some stickers, some flower stickers, more flowers, stickers. This full wrap nail polish sticker, butterfly stickers, some flames, and lastly but not least, my cuticle oil pen. This one, it's called Sangria. And that is it guys. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and just leave a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.